Hello and welcome to another Music Monday. Today I want to get rid of some misconceptions that people have got around composing and the fact you can only stick to certain things. Like we've talked about different modes and we've talked about the circle of fifths. They're not the only ways you can choose to compose your pieces of music. Don't forget, if you like this sort of stuff, subscribe, like, tell your friends. And what we're going to look at today is parallel scales and what is a parallel scale. And it's another way of providing you other ideas for your composing. So basically, this is it. C major, the parallel scale for C major is C minor. Super easy. And remember, we can build up triads from any of these. So if I put the keyboard up, we've got C major. All the white notes from C to C. And to make your triads, you play 1, 3, 5, and then you do 2, 4, 6, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So it's play 1, miss 1, all the way up. So we've got major, C major, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, and then B diminished. Okay, great. So how does that relate to minor triads and the parallel scale? Well, C minor, so that's the C natural minor, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C. And if we do exactly the same thing, 1, 3 and 5, that will give us C minor. If we do 2, 4 and 6 from the C minor scale, we get D diminished. If we do 3, 5, 7, we get E flat major, then you get F minor, G minor, A flat major, B flat major, and then you're back to C minor. So that's working up the different triads. And this shouldn't be surprising to you, because remember when we were talking about modes, we said that the Ionian mode is based on the first degree of the scale. The Aeolian mode is based on the 6th degree, and that is also known as the minor. So the relative minor to C is A, because it has the same tones in it as C major. So C major and A minor have the same tones in it. So we should expect, if we go up triads in A minor, they'll all be the white notes. So we're expecting minor, diminished, major, minor, minor, major, major. So yes, there's 3 majors, 3 minors, and a diminished in both. The point of this is one rule that we've been looking at. So when we looked at modes, Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian, they can give you ideas for different emotions. So that's one composing technique. Then we looked at the circle of fifths and how generally songs tend to fit in wedges, and if they don't, they jump around and work their way back. But don't forget, you've also got this option of what is the parallel scale of what you are working in, because they will often be able to be interchanged. So you will see there, C major, for example, it suggests that you should be able to play a G minor, A flat major, F minor along with it. And that is often true. So picking from the parallel scale, one of the triads there, is often a great way to add variety to your composing. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, like and subscribe is always appreciated, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.